With a lot more AI-generated code out there, there's a lot of research already that has shown that AI-generated code is not perfect. There was this expectation that the code generated by AI would be great, so minimal testing on that. However, the reality is there are still problems with that code regarding, is the code doing what it was intended to do? Is it even the right code, right? So there's two degrees, there are two layers of evaluation that needs to happen as part of AI-generated code. Now put that in context of an organization that's generating a lot more code because AI is doing the generation along with human developers, and you're thinking, how do I test this, right? It's a lot more complexity, it's a lot more volume than I'm usually able to take with the current team that I have, right? And that code is imperfect, far from perfect. So how do I manage all that? So what we're seeing in our customers trying to do, and we're helping them through that journey also, is how do I do my requirements analysis? How do I do my test design? How do I do my test creation? How do I do my test automation, execution, analyze results, reporting in a way that's much faster than what I'm used to doing? In a way that it can scale across different code bases, it can scale across different teams, and more importantly, can be executed or can be done earlier in the life cycle. So if you think about shift left strategies, one of the things that AI is enabling the testing teams to do is to start testing much earlier than normal, doing in-sprint test automation, for example, so that you can now start fighting that increased volume much earlier when tests are smaller, they're easier to run, they're faster to run. And if something is detected, some problem is detected, it's faster for the developer to fix as well, or the AI to fix, right? Depending on the case. So we're enabling a lot of capabilities to our customers to counter that increased volume of AI generated code, and that basically influences the testing strategy. They are really trying to build testing strategies that enable them to test earlier, faster, more comprehensively in order to accommodate the increased volume at speed of code that's being generated and thrown at them, because they were not prepared for that up until now.
Thanks for watching the video. Any thoughts? Feel free to drop in the comments down below. And I'm Alex Martins. See you next time.